Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to your Divine Prayers channel. Let's chant Sanskrit sloka with ease. Arjuna Uvacha Madanu Grahaya Paramam Guhyam Madhyatma Sangnitam Yatva Yoktam Vachastena Mohoyam Vigato Mama. अर्जुन उवाच मदनुग्रहाय परमं गुह्यं मध्यात्मसंज्ञितं यत्त्वयोक्तं वचस्तेन मोहोऽयं विगतो मम. Hope you could follow along with me in chanting the sloka. More in queue.